do that. What's going on? What are you doing? You just pulled it off. What? You can't do that.
What the hell?
What? Just because he organises it, you can't do that. What? Right, so foolish.
Maybe they cheated. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry.
Look, 2 number 3s in there. That's all right.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that's unlucky, yeah.
Congratulations.
Unlucky, man.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes.
I like it.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Unlucky, bro. Okay. Yeah, boys. Together. Don't go. Same number wrong. The ref have to say someone changed shirt number. You played a full game already. That's stupid. Just because they got two number 3 on, they disqualified. They can't do that. They played a full game. Should have said guys change shirt.
Change shirt or put a number.
Yeah. Just because Jason organised it, he can't rig it. That's bullshit.
That's stupid. Yeah, bro.
That's bullshit.
That's not foul!
They're changing your shirt. He's playing. Put your shirt play out. That's the
Ref. How come you knew it was 2 number 3?
Ref, when they made the subs, you know the numbers.
Yeah. The right on is disqualified.
That can't be disqualified.
I know.
So we have to play on. You have to play on.
No, how they win?
Because 2 number 3s on the
No, but that's the ref, when he was reffing out again.
That Melbourne just set that rule at the start.
You know what I mean?
Melbourne just,
Yeah, but
Melbourne just set that rule at the start.
when they change.
That's all, guys. Cheers.
So you can't.
But you can't do this one, boss, even if you go there, because I know it's back already.
No, but you can't.
Let's 3 number.
We can't tell boss we're doing a team sheet. At the tournament they give us a team sheet. This one
Can you guys take our numbers when yeah, we'll do that back.
But why didn't you check when I on?
Yeah.
No, you can't tell.
No. So why do you take down numbers for? Yeah, boss, they can't come back on.
It's not the ref, it's the rules that they set.
Jai just said it, just then.
Jay, you're too high.
Because I remember when we in Brisbane, we had 2 number 3 in there. Guys,
Ref,
you guys
guys, don't play for us. We do not play. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Hey. Boys.
That's the ref's fault. That's the ref's fault. Ref choosing because 2 number 3 on the
Simple fix. No. We were nothing on you guys. But where did that choose anything to you? That's not fair. Right.
Go. ref's got our numbers, and then it's.
You should have noticed that when we subbed it in.
You know what you're doing is right, but is that what the organizer said? Disqualification?
Yeah, they got it.
Oh, okay, so you're another. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, guys. Yeah, thanks, guys.
What happened, mate?
You don't want to win it like this.
No, we got our opinion. It's up to the. That's unfair. This ending. These guys don't want this ending. We all come to watch it. We don't want this ending.
The word is.
Your reaction. Your reaction.
I want to see this game go to the end. Yeah, I don't want to see a win like this. That's right. That's it. No, he didn't blow. He just went like that. Ref tore on. It's play! Play!
Get on! Life. Don't know. 2 more minutes to play, and then we'll see maybe penalty. Well, I don't know.
Put a jumper on. You got the same shirt as them. Cover your shirt. Yeah, it's pretty. No. Just cover your shirt. You got green, they're green. Yeah.
I'm not even playing. Just put it on. Just put it on.
Cover your shirt. Yeah.
Don't play that. Just give him a different shirt.
The problem is that we have team number 3 in the defense, and then they call out the match disqualified for Kent. So they said Melbourne will win the game, but then it's all right. It's all right.
That's bullshit. We have to come fucking
All right.
bullshit.